So in your summer garden now, if you've got a few patches and you're looking for something to put in that's going to endure the heat. If you're in the tropical areas, big downpours, lots of weather, lots of rain, then you're going to be thinking of something that's tough and enduring. Guys, and I'm not including bedding plants here. What I'm talking about here are 3 options for perennials. And folks, you couldn't get better than these. And I've chosen them specifically for, like, these are marathon plants. These are like those marathon runners that run 10 days in the desert, you know, like one of those extreme sports. And these are extreme plants built for extreme conditions. So, number 1 is Bardens. Bardens actually a member of the blackjack family, which is a weed. So immediately it's telling you, oh, you're pretty tough. This guy is called Bardens Rockstar. The flowers are bigger. It's got this fern-like, almost sprawling habit of its foliage, but really enjoys lots of sun. All you need to do is give it a bit of a deadheading, gets to about yo-high by about 30 centimeters wide, great in pots, hanging baskets, border edging. Excellent option. The next no-nonsense plant is this guy over here. It's a beautiful plant. It's called Cineraria New Look. Now, some of you might look at it and say, oh, I know this plant, I know this. Well, there was one called Dusty Miller, which had a finer leaf, smaller leaf. This one is now larger. It's got beautiful lobes in it. Look at these, and the hairs on it just make it so striking. And grey amongst other foliage makes your garden come alive. And if you're looking to add that bit of something, you know, just looking a bit flat, then you just add some grey in. Now, Cineraria comes from the Mediterranean, so let's think about it. Mediterranean, hot, sunny, beautiful days, blue sky. So it loves full sun. It is a short-lived perennial, guys. So 2 to 3 years in your garden, it's done its job. Compost heap and replace it. But beautiful and tough. The last one is this. Guys, this is called Scaeviola Bondi White. You also get in a beautiful pink and a lovely blue. Now, Scaeviola is part of a big group of plants, big family, but these originate in Australia. So immediately come to mind hot, dry, sunny, sometimes loads of hot, dry winds. Scaeviola, in fact, can do in full sun or in semi-shade. This one is more compact. This variety, which is called Bondi White, fan-shaped flowers, beautiful white, pots, hanging baskets, border edging, and when all of these start getting a little bit scraggly and start looking a little bit untidy, just a light pruning and a good feeding, and they're good to go.